Welcome back. And now in this video, what we will do, we will go through how we can update or install a package by using the OneScreen Central or this TL7. So let's quickly from the menu, we will go to the application section, swipe to the OneScreen Central, and this is the application that we want to update or we want to install a package. So for that, first we will go to the settings so that I can show you the current version of the application that is installed. Go to the application section, scroll down, and yes, here it is, OneScreen Central. And as you guys can see, this is current version is 2.5. So what we will do, we will update this by using the OneScreen Central. And this is my laptop screen, and what I will do, I will just select the screen first and go to the install package over here. Click on the install package, and what we can do, we have this already selected, and we will apply this first. And there is a second file as well, that is this. Okay, let's apply. And this is the command section from where we can see the rest of the application at the command status. Now, as you can see, it is in the pending state. It will take some time, but at the result, when this will be successfully executed, it will be have the 1 in the success, and after that we will check the version of the application on the screen as well. So let's quickly go to command section, and as you can see, 1 is already successfully executed, and as you can see, now close this one and let's wait for the second one. Once this will be done, our package will be updated, and this is how we can install the package on the OneScreen Central. Alright, so what we have now is the both of the packages are successfully installed, and now we will check the status of the application by going to the settings, and we will scroll to the application section. This is the OneScreen Central application. Click on this, and now you can see the application is updated with the current optimized version 3.03. Previously we will have a 2.5.5. right? This is how we can install or update a package by using the OneScreen Central. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.